I just came across an unbelievably easy way to make money online, and with this one method of making money, you can make anywhere from $140 per day to around $300 per day without doing a lot of work, without you having any skills, without you paying for any courses or creating any websites or doing any of that hard stuff. And in this video, I'm gonna break down how you can actually pull this off today. I'm gonna tell you guys what website you need to sign up on and use for this. And it doesn't matter where you are, where you live, what time zone you're in. None of that really matters. With this website, you can make $100 per day. It's really possible. And you can use it to make up to $1,000 per day. So if you've been looking for a method to make, let's say $100 per day, then be sure to stick around to the very end of this video so you can learn about how you can actually pull this off starting today. Now, just before we get into all the details, just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel and you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Ian, and on this channel, I make videos on how to make money, how to save money, how to invest your money, anything related to personal finance. So if you like these videos and you like these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free, it won't ever cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on, and that way you never miss any of the future updates of when I post new videos on this channel. Also, if you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below in the description. And with that said, let's jump right into how you can make money by using this one website. Now, before I actually go any further, this video is not one where I'm just going to tell you about the website and then expect you to go out there and make massive amounts of cash on your own. Instead, I'll be explaining how you can use the website, and I'll also be showing you guys what to do as well. So by the end of this video, the goal is that you should be able to start earning, and then you can work your way towards a second or a third method. But by the end of this video, you should definitely have a really good understanding of how to pull this off. So the website is going to be Max Bounty or maxbounty.com, and this is kind of like affiliate marketing, but in a way it's kind of better because affiliate marketing, or with affiliate marketing, you need to get people to actually purchase products or services, and then you get paid by a commission. With Max Bounty, you're joining a CPA network and you get paid from actions and not purchases. So just to explain the differences here. For example, if I have an affiliate product, I'll have a link to my affiliate product and I'll share that link with you guys. And if you click on the link and you like the product, then you can purchase the product. And then once you make that purchase, then I'll get paid an affiliate commission. With CPA networks, and CPA, by the way, stands for cost per action, you get paid not from people clicking on links and making purchases, but instead you get paid by people just merely clicking on the links, or in some cases, entering their email addresses. So this is good because, one, when people come across your links, they don't have to make a purchase, they don't have to purchase anything. So you're gonna have a higher conversion rate than if you were doing affiliate marketing, because once they click or once they enter that email without making any purchases or buying anything, you can still get paid here. Now, the downside to this is that usually this doesn't pay as much as affiliate marketing, for example. So if you go on like ClickBank or one of those affiliate marketplaces, you can find a product that's worth, let's say, $500, and you can become an affiliate of that product. And then if someone purchases that product using your link, you can get a 50% commission, which is $250. So for each person that purchases a product, you get $250. So that's a good commission margin. However, with CPAs, you get way less because, again, people don't need to purchase anything. They don't really need to do anything. They just need to complete an action, which is usually either just clicking on a link or entering their email address. Now, on Max Bounty, you can get around $1 or $2 on average, and this is very realistic. So anywhere between $1 to $2. You'll get paid that amount for one completed action. So if someone goes on one of these links and enters their email address, then you get $1 or $1.50 or $2. Now, $1 or $2 doesn't sound like a lot of money, and it actually isn't. But remember, you have a lot higher conversions because when people click on these links, they don't need to make a purchase. They don't need to buy anything. All they have to do is to complete an action, which is usually by entering an email address. And so they're doing something which doesn't cost them anything. So it's completely free for them. So they're more likely to do it than to go out and actually purchase anything with affiliate links. And so you have a lot more conversions and you have a lot more people completing these actions. And this way you can make a lot more money. So the point is, even though you're getting just $1 to $2 per action complete, completed, you're actually gonna make a lot of money. Now, if you actually do go to maxbounty.com and you sign up, when you get accepted, you can get into your dashboard by default. You're gonna see links that have high CPR rates, probably like $30 or $50. Those are not the ones that you want to do, because the ones with those high payouts like $20, $30, $50 are going to be ones that are going to require some sort of purchase or signing up for something, right? So what you want to do instead is you want to filter, and this is a strategy here, you want to filter by CPA rate, and you want to filter lowest to highest, and that way you'll see all the leads that will pay you only $1 to $2 per action, and those are going to be the ones that won't charge people anything, and they will just require them to either click on a link or enter their email address. Now, this is 100% beginner friendly. You don't need any skills. You don't need to learn anything. You don't need a course. You don't need to watch some 2-hour YouTube tutorial to learn how to do this. You don't need to manage a Shopify store. All you need to do is to sign up on the website, get accepted, and then filter by CPA rate, low to high. And there are literally hundreds of them on there every single day. So you have the potential to make $100 easily every single day. Now, if you're wondering how you get paid here or how Max Bounty makes money and pays you, then what they'll do is they'll take the email addresses and they'll get them, and they'll either probably create a marketing list and they'll probably sell that to someone else, or they will try to upsell these people when they get their email and send them like special offers in their email and try to upsell them that way. I'm not 100% sure how they make money on the back end, but I do know that they have some method of monetizing this info that they get. But you don't have to worry about that stuff. They'll find a way to make money on the back end and you get paid. All you got to do is to get people to click on the links and complete actions to gain $1 or $2. And oftentimes, all you really need them to do is to enter their email addresses. Now, there's one con that I want to mention before I move on, and that is there is a cap on earnings here from different offers. So, for example, you may find an offer and it may pay $1.50 per action completed. However, there is a cap of $150 per day, meaning that the maximum you can earn from that one lead is $150 per day. So you definitely want to promote multiple leads, and this way you can make more money. Now, let's also talk about traffic. How are you actually going to get people to click on these leads and complete these actions, which are free? Because you actually need traffic, and you need a lot of traffic to be able to make money here. Now, one good way that I found that you can do this for free and get a lot of traffic is by using social media, and I've talked about this previously before in my affiliate marketing videos and my affiliate marketing course. You can actually create an Instagram page in any particular niche, and that way you can get targeted traffic. So for example, let's say there was an offer on Max Bounty for a sweepstakes to win a PlayStation 4 or an Xbox or something like that, right? Some gaming console. Now, if all that was required was for someone to put their email address in, and then they'd automatically be entered into this free raffle or sweepstakes to win this gaming console, then all you needed to do was to get this lead in front of people who are highly interested in gaming or video games. If you can do that, then they're definitely going to put their email address in, because one, it's free, they don't have to purchase anything, and secondly, they could get the latest gaming consoles for free, so they're definitely going to want to put their email address in to sign up for a chance to win this for free. So if you had an audience that was already highly interested in gaming and you put that link or that lead in front of them, then they're going to click on it 100%. So even if you had an Instagram account or a niche Instagram page, let's say 1,000 followers, but these 1,000 followers were highly interested in gaming, and probably not even 1,000 followers, right? Let's make the bar a bit lower. So let's say you just created this Instagram page and you only have 100 followers. A small niche Instagram page with 100 followers, but these 100 people were highly interested in gaming, and you were posting content related to gaming every single day on this account. Now, once you post this link on that niche Instagram page, more than likely all 100 followers are going to put their email address in, because they're already highly interested in that niche, and this is how they can get something for free, or possibly get something for free. It's not costing them anything, and you right then and there have 100 people who will put their email addresses in and enter this sweepstakes, and this way you're going to get 100 signups. So by simply doing that, you'd have just made $150 just like that. Now, the good thing about this is that if you've already been following my videos and you've been doing like affiliate marketing and you've been building out social media for traffic, then you probably already have a niche that you're working in. So for example, let's say you already built a Instagram account, or you have a YouTube following, or maybe it's TikTok or Twitter. I don't know, if you have some sort of following and it's in a totally different niche, right? So for example, let's say it's in the healthcare niche or fitness niche. Then all you gotta do is go on Max Bounty and look for leads that are in the same niche. That will pay you $1 to $2 per action. And then guess what? You just post those links, you put them in front of your audience, and it's like printing money because they were already highly interested in that stuff. You don't have to convince them. And secondly, it's 100% free. They don't have to ever pay for anything. And there's an offer on the table for them to actually get something for free. So they're definitely gonna wanna sign up. And again, once you put the link in front of them and they put their email address in, or they click on the links or do whatever is required, or the required action, which is free, you get paid. So this is one of the easiest ways that you can actually make money on the internet right now. In fact, in some ways, this beats affiliate marketing because again, with affiliate marketing, they have to go and make a purchase. However, with CPA networks, they don't have to make any purchases. They just need to complete an action, which is completely free for them. Now, I'm gonna actually show you guys an Instagram page because this is really easy. It's one of the easiest things that you could do. This is the easiest way to get traffic online and monetize this traffic with affiliate programs, and now CPA programs, or even selling your own products or services. And for example, let's go on to Instagram right now, right? So you've probably tried creating an Instagram account before, but you didn't get any followers, or maybe you have your own personal Instagram account, but you don't have that many followers. And the thing is, probably you won't have a lot of followers because people on Instagram are interested in whatever they're already interested in. So for example, here is a Instagram niche page called Volleyball Girls, which has 37,000 followers, which are probably just a bunch of thirsty dudes on the internet. But guess what? Most likely this page is being run by some random dude, and the content is not important, right? I'm not telling you to create a page like this, but I'm just giving you guys an example. So there are a lot of dudes on the internet that like to click on photos like this or photos like these, and they'll be in the comments. So this Instagram page is actually going to get a lot of likes. It's gonna get a lot of followers. It's gonna get a lot of views, a lot of interaction. And so because it's getting a lot of views and interactions, it's good for the Instagram algorithm because the page is getting thousands of views per day. And it's more likely that these posts will be pushed into the IG feed. So what you could do is you could create a page like this. You simply go on IG and you get the photos from different people and you post them here. However, what you have to do is you tag them and give them credit for their photos. And usually people love when you tag them and give them credit for the photos because it's a link back to their Instagram profile. And that way they can actually gain followers for free, and everybody likes to gain followers, right? That's just how Instagram works. So in this example, you create a page like this. You can make it Volleyball Girls. You can make it Truck Driver Girls. You can make it in a different niche, right? The content is not all that important. You can make it in the fitness or healthcare niche or whatever you want. But the point is, you create a niche Instagram account and you put in the bio, or in the bio, you put the link and you put a link to one of these CPA offers. And guess what? Now you have 37,000 plus followers. They're going to be clicking on that link. And now all 37,000 are probably not going to click on the link, but on any given day, this page is going to be getting maybe 100 to 200 new followers. So you have that amount of people coming here every single day. If the offer is something related to volleyball girls, like in this example, then they're already interested. So they're going to click on that offer. So they'll put their email address in. Probably it's going to be like a sweepstakes for them to get to meet some volleyball star. And that way you're actually going to make $1.50 per action completed. And if 300 people do this per day, that means that you're gonna make around $450 per day. And also you can switch this yourself. You can change the links from time to time. So you could come here and you could change the link for the offer every single week. So people who already signed up would sign up again because now it's a new offer and it's completely free for them again. Or you could put it in your stories, or you could make a post on the page so most of your followers will see it. And then you can delete the post after like 24 hours or 48 hours. But this is a free and easy way to get targeted traffic and to funnel that traffic into your CPA leads and to get paid. Comment below and tell me if there's an easier way of doing this, because if there's an easier way, I want to know about it. But this is one super easy way that I found that you can use and get traffic on the internet for free. You get targeted traffic without paying for any ads. If you're gonna be doing CPAs or affiliate marketing or selling your own products, this is an easy way to get traffic. If you're gonna be selling anything online, the hardest part is always getting traffic. So I want you guys to comment below and tell me what you think about this method of making money. I think it is one of the easiest ways of making money right now. I would say it's the #1 easiest way, but I say that in all my videos, so this is just one of the easiest ways. Guys, if you like the content, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe with the notifications on, and that way you never miss the updates of when I post new videos. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.